Thredbo is really proud to announce that we have achieved Gold EarthCheck certification. EarthCheck is the world's leading environmental certification and benchmarking group for the travel and tourism industry. To achieve Gold, we've undergone rigorous environmental checks over the past few years. Thredbo has had to meet EarthCheck's standards across 10 key performance areas, including greenhouse gas emissions, energy efficiency and waste management. Achieving the Gold certification is a massive milestone for us. Operating the resort in a way which protects our unique alpine environment is hugely important, so we can offer skiing, snowboarding, mountain biking and hiking for generations to come. From increasing food waste recycling around the resort or using innovative green technology to drive the state-of-the-art Merritts gondola, we continue to be at the forefront of reducing our carbon footprint. Thredbo was the first Australian snow resort to have its major operations powered by renewable energy in 2019. We've also partnered with Green Fleet since 2009 to offset resort vehicle emissions, including all fuel used to run our snow grooming fleet and resort shuttle buses. Thredbo also has a forestry carbon offset program, allowing guests to offset their snow travel by purchasing a tree when they buy their lift products. To date, more than 11,900 tonnes of carbon emissions have been offset by planting more than 44,000 native trees. Thank you to all of our many guests and to our staff and the team here in Thredbo who continue to support all of our sustainability initiatives to make Thredbo the great place that it is.